We're doing some screening of the soil. Pull the big stones out. All we have is a piece of, we took out an oven and then some screen, and over 2 buckets, and the third bucket's where I'm putting the stone in. So I'm just putting the dirt on and letting it go through, moving it around a little bit if needed. And during the process we're finding some interesting stuff, which we're setting aside. So basically we're just trying to get some nice soil which could be used any place, but in our case we're just using it to backfill the trench. But we might use some elsewhere where we want some for planting and really nice topsoil, filling any holes on the lawn. In doing so, it's kind of like an archaeological dig. We're finding some neat stuff. I don't even know what some of it is, but could be interesting. Luckily our soil is pretty loose, so it goes through really nice. And you can see the resulting soil is nice and granular, and it's going to be easy to shovel if we ever need to shovel it again. Or it could fill some nice holes.